Peace FM 104.3. Wutumi Take.
Sorry, Abanko.
Adwako. Yako school aba.
Kwame. Ni nyina ka no bi. Ne di kan mebo party na baso. Ene eye ukuada yawada.
Yawada.
Yetu aba no memnida. Ebepim sabre ni de yese fie chi ni abofo. Yanti bibia no mpanifo se ofifufu ni a onu saman. Tinya fi na me be kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm mebree ni ɛna ɔpanim so na taka sɛm sɛ fi sɛm nya tomago na yɛsi ahata na ɔmo na saka sɛ yɛsoma banyasafo yɛsoma na montenten ɛni nti bɛpem saa mmere asomdwie wɔ hɔ no ɛbɛwɔ party no mpanimfoɔ kɔsi fam ne ɛbɛbɔ obi aba so na yɛaboɔ ma mu di nkunim no so aba so mpo wɔ ma mu di nkuguo no bɛpem saa bere yi dodoɔ no a na hyɛ ɔmo ho so a ɛnyɛ radio kasa ne adeade ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo wɔ dɔ ɛne pepa ɛde ma party no ti yebebo mo abaso Kwame enyema mpese meka ba kopa edi kan the ideals, the philosophy of our party eyem se di pan mebre re ye fi na Kwame yesu wure fi krom adwaba krom hene abenya oyira adwabase the ideals me one of the reasons are e ma me wura party no na me say nipa mebre so di wura party me say so what transe now share biographies and the autobiographies of the lives of the Tadankwanom now share the lives of Professor Buzi Anom Professor Buhi Dubuahinom na nado Dankwa Kufuado Yera J Kufuado ne mpanimfo no Kwame at the time omo ye omadwen say omo the party no AC right from UGCC and na mo akodru o dey saying progress UP aba progress party aba PFP Victor Usonom any Paulinom ni ade no they were people even in those days no they had made it yeah na baby or so sabre ni bia no they needed those people to be part of the administration but omo trans say I was said that chintino yetimi trans pe party a when you swadi huna be mo man akonanim that is the spirit of sacrifice. The point I'm asking and then say yan Crawford do na e party no no and omo the spirit of JB Dankwa mana akoya bibi say ipa mebre binom de atenka be wura party no e binom so akofa ne say ne politics akoye business intimate aka sem prof ese nipa mienu na omo ye amanyesem o mayi mo no ebi be wa NDC ebi wa NPP ebi wa PNC nipa mienu no ebi de omo chi na awuram ebi so de omo ye funu na awuram. So irrespective of your wuye biano ono nya na ehwe afia no ahia me begeme de na me de akọ na kwa me de chechire party no enti de mesa national executive any party ni nyina ni say yem party no be ye sha asia ye free ba be ya bedro any be pese ye kọ any ne ejira so the philosophy of the party no ye sha ten. Some of us no ya gather enough literature.
The dynamics have changed.
Metiasia Kwame na Labour Party, Conservative Party, Otiasia Democrats, Republicans, and Dankwa Buzia Dumbo tradition no so no. Yes so yedi ahoso na yenim ne yedi bedrum pempenso. It is some of us no it's not about say dear na menya anadia na mehwehwe. John F Kennedy was say dwene nya wo ya ma oman enwene nya wo man no mum yedi ama and none of the ideals no me brain one every yefi into when me gina fidie so not dispassionately no ma make appeals and penny from page yemu na yam fa santetia ne nkyerɛkyerɛ no si ade no kɔde a ɛbɛkɔ akɔduru sɛ abatuo mu no ya wi ne awie no bi kɔka sɛ ɛde ba e bosume mienu afimfie miensa me nya hwe wobadwene sɛ party no kyɛ ɛne niemo mampani titru de ɔyɛ ne sabre no ɛno bɛhyɛ onkran. The atoso mienu so a mesa amasra ni say yem party constitution no ententem so no ano yem momodrase be nsesan wo o mampani adanko Akufuado eni mpanimfo a ewo ho sesei no o mo bomode pass ye amendment no ye yi MMDCs efri mu sakoba sakwa mo so be kan ho bia ebia enka the worst have happened and it yem momodna say bra no so now wo say na danko Akufuado badaroma maba menkrata aso men masua de pa men mabɔ modern me petumi no de mawa enso ho enyesa wo ba ho na wi asa akoda na osi akwan eno kura ne ba ne sa no kura na in effect no kura no yo omwa omampani
enti ho nso constitution no yenhwe ho nso biem dia to so biem se Kwame me sre ese nipa dodo no anu a omakofa ne se MP eye fashion bia no Kwame MP nya fashion nipa ne mebre no ano o transna de gun sani ani busa se na suma cross wo MP ana se no committee be no we adwuma committee be pa Kwame enye se parliament ho no no sorry yakọ ya se konwa we na po fortunately some of us had the opportunity to do our service there yeni madwuma ho no enti nya se akọ ya me Kwame Sifaka me na so akonwa we na fata me committee be na be kwa akoye
me dem kwa me nya bi mu
na erroneously Kwame erroneously people are creating the impression say Nana Danko Akufo-Addo mo buy no no be who told you penny for no buy 96 ebe to every MPP o hwe Nana Danko Akufo-Addo Kwame Adokufo Kandapa Apreku
Hackman Uswajima
Amele Togo Gladys Asma how Yakubu nom nyame form nsie yi now the be hwe kanjira sam nso so anom so ho no a now read parliamentary hazards Kwame with all respect na penny for the part they had read the first ukuta PhD and now we are professor no and not do one they don't apply themselves to reading nananum they were people that they had read so what trust now talking point now the then nana na da ato the saying legal na you born here say na itona the space that when he said fellow Ghanaians o kasa no utumi say unyanim de Kwame Adokufo betrase no o kasa afa health one unyanim de Kofi Kunadu betrase no yasaf ma betrase no mo economy na unyanim de and people shouldn't have the impression say no mu sua de
96 to 2000 parliament na do
na me Kwame
prof na do
Kwame
if that
no if that the crowd later
we need
96 to 2000
if that about
Satana MPP Adokufo Nanado Safumafo Apreku Hackman Uswajiman Kwame Adokufo JH Mensa
ana atimfo drone no
Felix de Japan Felix also Japan Abraham Osedu
at Japan
na memo na yeah
Safu Mensa
na memo
na hweyama
na oba NDC suicide ha nenye easy
masa we admit it
nenye easy
what erroneous impression say how you question there understand
prof
adumako
sometimes I'm radio good na say as all your morning show na interview bansa not you say who your interview one question there
na wo no beto to apa so Mr.
1 minute madam for be ebi a otie me your friend apia donko na okasa bre pa na okọ teaching practice wa gogo na gogo the ma school train no say so we dey na warrior bed do no say ade so okasa boko was hwe ani asa muanya yes sa na sa
but osaka nya sa
yes sa na sa enti say yes o bia otimi akọ parliament ndi yes sa na sa
share
lese Kwame na o hwe kodoba redunum Gladys Asma no IC Queen no o ti ase
mema ne ma be se
na prof de o kai ma me fa de o kai me fa na se bi ntwem me bre no a o mo pe parliament akọ no o ma kọ Daniel Nancy aware onim kwa Nancy awade Kwame
there here
kwa Nancy won to no mpadwuma ena ntikuma so yensi ya o padwuma ena mo yeso mo kọ paware ena kro bi ben wo mo nti wo mo kro no Kwame emeya siesie ho twen kwa Nancy won padwuma oni atade pa hye oni ntuma pafra ena wa atade atete ena wode kwa kwapo obaware ena ntikuma so wa fra adwuna sai ni wa hye ne pabo papa yi wa team so etu wo ko na Nancy mpa ya obo nyina ne se urade moa ne ntikuma ne yam nka no na wo yeso owura mu akwa enu ya no agentwa no de adwane o mo kwa na lotu soto ye ndi ya na ntikuma me ho fa no se de fa ntuma ma me wo di ya na pabam onu di America di kokrum oba na ne ho ofepa no duru ano tehwe Nancy awade woni so na yiye sa na nso ba bi ofiri ba no eda na wasie ne mpapadan e no di asere na to no da so ntikuma so na abobra ya nkono ne betimi ahwe oba yiye ko en wa nya de ne ho ofepa no na oba ba ko no so to no so dabi ebe yiye ntibi wura de yenko saa oba nyina na ohwinti ana se de ne yiri koduru ya obey nim se be ma entuma de okoda mrusen mo ko ya sere ne and okoda so obey wono so ni nchi ayira nti kuma yiri benya na so hwintin kakran kakron beduru ya efie ne so se kese me wrade wa ye ni awosian ontuma ni obie so tight isu antuma na abuyi me so me die nie me brenu akopɛ mpia wo mo ware anansi awade okoduru hono mu a wo no say empty barrel kwame I'm telling you
wow party
Dabi, me admonition medema ubia. Admonition medema ubia. I'm not limiting it to say MPP and NDC. Yen hwe ni yes oba na wokɔ ware ntoma wo de kro no ba fia betimi de akɔhwe. Parliament na wokɔ so wokɔ ya akonya we na speaker me po. Committee level eno no ho. Kwa me de masa masre bi onse. O man pani yen mi ye pa se o ye pani a won traffic maseduamfo. As soon as possible, one national executive, any campaign manager omo mamadra na mpanyimfo be se duanan ne akire no eyade hadwen political implications mebre titru parliament but eno no de me meka ho asem ha na me so opani so no yewura his excellence na danko akufado o tie yen kwame de besa masre bio pa ne se research teams ahodo a party no so no wo mamadin no nya dwuma because said de ne kekan ne ade nyina no constituency bi on ma I can tell you say eye nipa no personality and now baby free baby a setless and the nipa wodi niam adiaba na sade we say kosi ne ne na nkasa masiremani no amuna mitrim so no ebetumi a ho no kwa mesa masire bi so say yam party say na make say baby free band baby abidro no hwe o say na dan kwa kufu ado we ni wie ye no ententama no koni ni apani George Kumkofo ko bu na nim kotoye o say na president Kofo edi ni birthday hwe na dan kwa kufu ado ye ma no enne mrante ne mabawa ye di achen that kind of odono as a free mu sitting and pit me kase mem ye tumi nuanom. Do you think Kufu Ado will have done that? Do you think Kufu will ever do that?
Me catch you, say the dynamics have changed.
Kwame, and your time. Because you want to establish a hegemony in Tino, you two be a mimit with Yaba control. Is that the party? Now, when is better than I did? I will party and Yamadia. Kwame, I had time. Me say, oh, yeah. Your facial expression should say, oh, yeah. That be Kwame. I'm a pathway as survival over the years. And say, look at the stature of Dr. Dankwa. The only one, that's all translate. I read a lot about my idea and know here. But because of his conviction and the truth he stood by, look at the crime of us or die. I wish to be a bit me the Commission of Inquiry 1966. Normal Kane and near my course. And Dr. Dankwa near my hood course. And Tino pathway say, young pension so. Was Sakura yam pension so and Nintino sa president the grand shay and so Nasa we MP Nasa media me Kentino yen to bia. What is it? And yes, I know you know purpose of the Berman. That is why I
no regional executives in the Munka Central. They have become lost unto themselves.
Anyway,
media I don't want to be
Chairman, yes, you are Santiachim no Chairman time. What is this?
Media officer Nyantua.
Yentua Basu Yasi Atoba Mobile Yawan, Ubina 500.
Sorry, any subing. I mean, now this is the party of money. Baby, free but over the years, no cry, Digina. Any Senipan, not Jenny, and what the neighbor, and yet you'll be petty. Are we following the princess on Penny Fono?
Mamin caught me teacher Penny back or IKGC.
Peace FM 104.3. Would you mean